With nearly 80 million children aged between 3 and 6 years, India's youngest citizens are the promise of a brighter tomorrow. India's early childhood education policies strongly advocate for play-based, developmentally appropriate learning for children in this age group. A recent study by Central Square Foundation examined over 200 Anganwadis and pre-primary government schools to understand classroom realities and their impact on learning. The study revealed implementation gaps and low budgetary allocations across both departments, leading to poor school readiness before grade 1. Findings show low and ineffective teaching time in the classroom at just 35 minutes on average. There is a lack of trained teaching staff in ECE classrooms. Anganwadi teachers are overburdened and juggle many responsibilities. Consequently, ECE gets neglected. Most Balvatikas don't have a dedicated ECE teacher. At least half the teachers in the study don't know how to use the materials due to lack of regular effective training, affecting student engagement. Irregular ECE classroom visits by both Education and Women and Child Development Department officials impact the monitoring of ECE. What should be done? Classroom resources play a crucial role in impacting learning in the classroom. To avoid a teacher referring to multiple resources while teaching, materials need to be streamlined. Student practice time on ECE activities needs to be prioritized. Lastly, ECE classrooms need designated spaces to facilitate play-based learning, a key aspect of ensuring quality ECE for children. To achieve this, significant budget increases are imperative. The Government of India can tap into existing schemes like the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan to pilot ECE reforms and fund dedicated ECE teachers. Parents also play a crucial role in improving their children's learning outcomes, especially in this age group. Equipping them with ECE activities and guidance for at-home learning can significantly enhance ECE outcomes. Strategic focus and investments in early childhood education in India must be prioritized. Not only can this pave the path for achieving goals set forth by the NEP 2020 and the Nipun Bharat Mission for Foundational Learning, it also catalyzes holistic strengthening of the education system in the country.